Hello, I'm Dr. Carla Zogheib. I'm the specialist endodontist at Dr. Joy Dental Clinics. I've been working as a specialist endodontist for more than 25 years. I'm graduated with a Ph.D. from the St. Joseph University of Beirut Faculty of Dentistry, where I've been practicing, and I am the past head of department, endodontic department, and the past president of the Lebanese Society of Endodontics. Well, endodontics is all about treating the pulpal and periapical tissue and diseases. And what we do here at Dr. Joy Dental Clinics is that we are doing pain-free endodontic treatments for all kinds of infection. And we are using the highest technologies as microscopes and magnification. We are also using the latest materials and devices that are indicated in this endodontic procedures. So wherever you have any kind of pain or pulpal infections, you are welcome to come to Dr. Joy's Dental Clinic to do the highest technology endodontic treatment.